Good morning. Today is Thursday, April 2nd. And first thing that you should do today is check your homeroom update in Schoology. If Schoology is working, we're keeping our fingers crossed and hoping that everything runs smoother than it did yesterday. Let's look at homeroom today. Homeroom, you're going to do your homeroom Flipgrid check-in. Click on the link here. Don't forget that password. And your question of the day is show and tell. So you're going to choose somebody, or some object, or a room, or whatever you want, and you're going to do a show and tell for us today of something at home. I thought that would be kind of fun, exciting to see something else inside of your life. So make sure you do that Flipgrid today. Let's start all the way at the top here with math. You're going to see in your math course, April 2nd, that you are going to complete page 154 in your student book. And then I have a whole bunch of resources in there of all the different algorithms for multiplication and strategies. So make sure that you take a peek at those videos, complete that page, and then decide which one of those strategies or algorithms are your favorite. And then you're going to complete a Flipgrid. And your Flipgrid is actually showing Mrs. Olson what you know, and which by showing me what algorithm and what strategy is your favorite. There are more directions in Schoology, so make sure you check that out. As far as reading goes, you're going to continue to work on that Wonder Bubble. Remember, we went over that yesterday in our WebEx, so make sure that if you are unclear of something, you can refer back to the Wonder Bubble directions in Schoology. Also, this is just a quick reminder that sign up for Epic if you haven't done so already. It's the same code to get in, and the one that we've used at the beginning of the year. The only thing that's different is that your parents are going to have to verify with an email address that it's okay to use Epic just because you're learning from home. So make sure, it's hard to get out to the stores nowadays. So if you have a whole library available to you over Epic, so please make sure that you're signed up for that. Continue to work on that real-time journal that we went over yesterday. Again, all of those directions for the real-time journal are also there for you if you need to refer back to that. In social studies, it's a new add-on. I did notice that some of you have already visited social studies, but if you would, I condensed the folder to just April 2nd. So just stick with April 2nd since this is the first time we've been introduced to social studies. You're going to read the introduction to chapter 10, and you're going to do the Flipgrid that's requested for you to do in Schoology. Again, please go to Schoology and read the directions. I'm giving you very vague directions in our morning message, so I want you to make sure that you're going to Schoology and reading those directions thoroughly. Tomorrow we will be visiting science, so there's nothing for science today. And then lastly, this is just a reminder and something that we talked about yesterday at our WebEx meeting, that there are no office hours for today. Of course, I will be checking my messages all day long over email and Schoology, so please continue to send me messages if there's something that you need help with. But our live message is not going to be me talking, but it is going to be the author of Front Desk, Kelly Yang, who I'm so excited to see, who is going live tomorrow at 2 o'clock. And that information I sent out in a Schoology message earlier yesterday. So you can refer back to that. Also, the flyer for that is up at the top of our Team 5B Daily Planners. So make sure that you join us if it sounds like something that's interesting to you. So this is where I will be at 2 o'clock today instead of at our WebEx meeting that was originally scheduled. I absolutely love seeing your faces on WebEx every day, so continue to come, and I'm so impressed. I think we're probably the only class that has had 100% attendance on the WebExes, and so I told that to Mr. Nelson today. I was so proud of you and so excited to see everybody participating. So continue to join our WebEx meetings, continue to be awesome, and I will see your lovely faces on Friday.